This video is a quick look at Assets, our multi-chain module designed for real-world asset tokenization. Assets makes it fast and easy to create, manage and deploy tokenized assets on-chain with real-world value. Whatever you're tokenizing, Assets provides the infrastructure to do it securely, compliantly and at scale across multiple blockchain networks. To mint a token, the first step is to connect your wallet. Once you've connected your wallet and you're on the dashboard, you can take a look around and just see some of the details that the system collects. So assets created, minted tokens, there's different values, wallet tokens, and then the tabs here that are important. So we're going to take a look at creating an asset. So we're going to base it on one that I used earlier. We have some standard templates depending on the type of asset you want to mint. And there's also templates that you can create yourself. So in this case, I have used equities as the asset category, but there's many different categories that we can go with. For the sake of this demonstration, we'll just go with equities. So we can also input a token icon, a link to the website, and many more links. You can select what token standard you want to use. In this case, we're just going to use ERC20. And your supply and fully diluted value. So we're just going to verify the details. Just going to go send an email to myself. And now we can go to the dashboard. So we scroll down. We can see in verification. So our details here. Edit the information, and now we're going to mint. So we're just going to confirm the details that we've already inputted. We're going to deploy the contract, and we're going to mint. So we just confirm in the wallet when it pops up, and our assets have been successfully tokenized. So let's take a look at the details. So we've got a contract address, we've got an ownership address, we've got a value, supply, price per token, and wallet tokens. So next we're going to take a look at what we can do with the token after it's been minted. So the options are here on the right hand side. We could make a pool, transfer tokens, take a look at the information. We could burn the assets, we can update the data, and we can verify as well. So let's transfer the tokens. So we're going to select this wallet address, which is one I inputted earlier on. And we're going to send 5,000 of the tokens to this new address. So we can just confirm through the wallet. And that's gone through. So it's just a click. Waiting for a moment, confirmation, and we've sent the tokenized assets to a wallet. So next we're going to take a look at how to burn our assets. So from the dashboard, we can go to the wallet. We can locate our tokens here. And then we can burn our assets. So let's burn 1,000. So again, we can just confirm this in the wallet. And that's processed. We've burnt 1,000 assets. So now we can take a look at creating an ARTE token. An ARTE is a unified token that aggregates multiple real-world asset tokens into one, giving investors diversified exposure, simplified access, and improved liquidity through a single tradable asset. Think of ART like an ETF for tokenized real-world assets. Instead of buying many separate tokens for things like real estate, bonds, or commodities, investors can just buy one token, the ARTE, and that will automatically represent a balanced mix of all of those asset types. It makes investing in RWAs easier, more liquid, and more accessible. So we select ART from the side tab. We input the information, our logo, and token symbol, token name, and what chain we'd like it on. And then we can take from the previously minted assets, we can select which ones we would like to be part of the ARTE. And then we can select what portion of the ARTE we'd like each of those assets to represent. In this case, we'll go with an even split of 25% by 4 assets. We just confirm it, and it's been successfully created. So I hope you've enjoyed this look at Defactor's Assets tool. Assets is an easy to use tool that we've created to help enterprises bring various RWAs on chain. The Assets module is also available via API connectivity, and you can reach out to our team to learn more. Thank you.
Defactor, from start to scale.